Hi, how are you? In this video, we are going to see how to calculate the value of this resistor, the resistor for this LED. So, for this, we need to know the voltage of the source. In this case, is 5 volts. And also, we have to know the current forward and the voltage forward for this LED. In this case, for this LED, we are going to select a typical value. We are going to select 20 milliamps and 2.6 volts forward voltage. So for this, we have a formula. I'm going to write this. This is the beer. This is the law of Ohm. The law of Ohm said that the current is equal to voltage divided resistor. In this case, we have the voltage and the current. How we know the value of the voltage of the LED and the voltage of the source is 5 volts, and the voltage of the LED is 2.6 volts. So we have to rest this. 5 minus 2.6 is equal to 2.4 volts. Okay, and now we have the voltage drop between the source and the LED. Now we know the voltage, and also we know the current, 20 milliamps. The law of Ohm said for resistors, the resistor is equal to voltage divided by current. So 22.4 volts divide 20 milliamperes. In this case, we need to convert these 20 milliamps to amps. Voltage, volts. Current, ampere. Resistor, ohm. Okay? So 20 milliamperes divide 1000 milliamps. One ampere it's equal to 1000 to 1000 milliamps. So this is equal to 2.4 volts divide 0.020 milliamps. No. 0.020 amperes. we are going to do this. We are going to divide these values. 2.4 divide 0.020. This is equal to 120 ohms. This is the resistance, 120 ohms. So the resistance, the value of the resistance is equal to 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 120 ohms. And this is the value for this LED. We're going to check with this program. This is multi-sim. I have these little circuits. In this circuit, we need 77.5 ohms in the resistance. Why? Because this LED is how we can see the voltage forward and the current forward for this LED is 20 milliamps and 3.45 volts. In this calculate, we we are we are we are using this value 2.6 volts, but if we want to if we want to calculate the resistance for this kind of LEDs, we are going to calculate again the resistance for this type of LED. So we have 3.45 volts and 20 milliamps. We are going to do the same. We are going to do the same. 5 volts minus 3.45 volts equal to 1.1 point and 55 volts. Now we are going to do the length of arm. Resistance equal to voltage divided current. 1.55 volts divided 0.020 amps. Okay, and we are going to have this is equal to this is the resistance, the value of the resistor for this for this LED. Now we're going to check. Okay, we have the LED and we have the resistance with 77.5 ohms. This is the value. We have 20 milliamps. The consume of this LED is 20 milliamps. 20 milliamps. And the voltage drop is 1.552 volts. 1.552 volts. This is something like percent more or less, 5 more or less percent, something like that, so that is all for this video. Thank you.